make I use this great opportunity. May I use this great opportunity to thank my fans, to appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you and God bless you. You know, I promise I'll be dropping card every day. I dropped 500 naira card the other day. Someone recharged it without even commenting, telling us that I see the card or I am the one who recharged it, so that other people will know and so that they will not bother themselves by trying. It's unfair. If you see any card, if you see any card from me, IKEJOY, and you recharge it, please drop it at the comment section so that we will know that someone have recharged it. You understand? Then we will not bother ourselves and always show appreciation because it's not easy. I still put yesterday someone recharged it without letting us know again. It's unfair. Oh. You know good though. I will still put another one now. When they drop am now, at least say thank you so that we go dey do more. Ngwanu, enjoy yourself. Abeg follow this my page oh, subscribe oh, share, comment. Yeta. Thank you, okay? I'm going to send another card. So make sure say you get fast finger. You understand? You will be saying you never recharge my card before. Abeg, dey ready so that immediately what I go put. You go be saying na your own side, now you go land. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are very, very good. Let me not just talk too much. I can't have people too much. You don't understand. Una amaka. Enjoy your day.